Early morning in Kenya, in the wildlife conservation areas, they are quiet. This all changes when the phone rings. Tutafika saa hii, the team can be contacted at all times. We are the first mobile security patrol veterinary team in this part of Kenya. Typically, an animal is trapped in a poultry snare, but it can be anything. A lion which needs to be translocated, or a sick zebra, but usually it's a snare issue. Our kits include gloves, first aid kit, medical supplies, blindfold, rope, and guarding rifle. The team consists of a driver, one head vet, and 2 rangers. Once we have assembled everything, we are ready to go and save the animals. The roads are not usually paved. Most of the time we drive through the bush. We are going to see where is he? When we reach the animal, we have to keep the animal safe and ourselves safe. It has become debilitated because of the snare. It's not eating. We only have a few minutes once the animal has been tranquilized, and it can be very dramatic. Complete. Back in the compound, we are a bigger team. Joseph, our animal keeper, takes care of the orphans. Our lab technician takes care of the blood work. Our co-owner manages our online presence. This job is important because there is a lot of conflict between human beings and wildlife. And therefore, intervention to save wildlife from becoming extinct is very crucial. I love so much to save lives and see animals are well, and that is our calling. That's why I do the job.